channel. In this video I'll be making Nigerian stew with chicken, and I'm going to be grilling my chicken, the tomato. This is Shombo and this is Tatashe. I've washed and removed the seeds because I don't want any I don't want it to add a bitter taste to my stew. Then I have onions, then ginger and garlic. So I'll be blending bit by bit. I add my tomatoes, my Shombo, bit by bit. Then I blend and pour into my pot. I add water. So this is my blended pepper, Shombo, onions, garlic, ginger and Tatashe. So it's on fire now. I've put it on the heat. I'll cook it till it dries. So this is my chicken. I'm about to season it. I like seasoning my chicken properly. This is seasoning and some chicken seasoning. Then I'll add salt. I'll add curry. Thyme. Add my blended onions, garlic and ginger and pepper. I want the meat to be spicy. I stir it properly so that all the ingredients will infuse into the meat. They have a very tasty meat, tasty chicken. I'll heat it up and allow the chicken to bring out its own juice. I'll cover the pot and come check it in 15 minutes. So this is 15 minutes later. You can see that our chicken are boiling. So I'll stir it more before, and I'll cover it again to cook for extra 10 more minutes before I go ahead and grill it. I see my chicken is well cooked now, so I put off the heat, and this is my casserole. I already have foil paper laid on it. I'll transfer this chicken into my oven because I want to bake the chicken for the stew. I'll save my stock later for the later part of the video. The chicken right into the oven for grilling, and I'll put it at 150. My tomato is well dried now, so I'll go ahead and start frying the stew. I'll put my pot for the stew on heat, so I'll pour in my vegetable oil. This should be enough. Now I'll add my onions. I like lots of onions in my stew. I'll add my tin tomatoes. I want to add it first because I want to fry out its tangy taste before adding my fresh tomatoes. I stir and allow it to fry for about 2 minutes, but be sure to be stirring it. Don't leave it down so that it doesn't burn. At this point, I start adding the blended tomatoes and onions, Tatashe and Shombo gradually. Then stir together. At this point, basically, what you keep doing is you keep stirring it till the tomato dries. You keep stirring it, don't allow it to burn. Just exercise some patience. You stir, you keep stirring. So I've kept stirring it. You stir it occasionally so that it doesn't burn. If you've watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel to support the work that I do. And if this video has been helpful to you, please smash the like button. So I've been stirring this for about 30 minutes now on low heat. and that tangy taste is gone. So I'll go ahead and add my stew seasoning. Add grounded nutmeg. Add a little bit of thyme. Add curry. Now stir them all together to mix properly. Now add seasoning, salt to taste. Then I stir it together properly. Gently I reintroduce my chicken stock, but I'm doing it gently because I don't want to add the under where there are little chicken bones, just like so. Then I'll stir it all together, and I'll have to taste it to know if I need to adjust either the salt or the seasoning. The taste is perfect for me. You can adjust yours if you need more salt. Then I cover it and bring it to a boil. And I'll come back and introduce back my chicken from the oven. Chicken is back from the oven. Then we introduce it into the stew. Here we are. So I've introduced the grilled chicken back into the pot. I stir it in and cover it, and when it comes to a boil, so that the stew will infuse into the meat, then I'll take it off from the heat. So I'll go ahead and cover it now. So my stew has come to the final boil. Now stir and take it off the heat. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.